Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can fix your headset mic not working on Windows 11. Now, it could be as simple of a problem as you're not picking the correct mic, right? So the thing we have to do is that we have to go to settings here, and on settings, you want to go to system. On system, you want to go to sound, and on sound, you want to scroll down and on input. Now you can see I have a lot of input here. I have microphone array, I have stereo mix, and I have my current microphone right now, right? And I picked the correct one. But if I picked microphone array here, and my input is coming from my right microphone here and I pick this, then my sound won't come in. So make sure you're picking the correct one, right? But if this doesn't work and you're sure that you've picked the correct mic, it could be two of other options. Either your mic is broken or your driver is outdated. Now I'm going to show you how we can update your driver, right? So from the search bar down here, you want to click on Device Manager like this. So on Device Manager, you'll open up a bar like this, right? Now you want to search for a driver called Audio Inputs and Outputs here, right? And in here, you'll see one of my microphones. So this is my microphone here, right? If this microphone doesn't work, the thing you have to do is that you have to select it, right click, and then click on Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers, but you can see my drivers are already installed and it's already the best one, so it's working perfectly. But if your audio isn't working, then you can try this method to see if it works. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing.